This matched pair of consonants is ch and j. Ch is voiceless and j is voiced. Ch and, CH and J and G are the most common ways to write these sounds, but not the only ways. The tip of the tongue touches behind the top teeth. When air is forced out, the tongue slides forwards. The release of air is what makes the sound. Let's look at some examples. So we'll start here with the examples in word initial position. Chess, chime, chest, chase, check. Next, our word medial list. Notice that the spelling is different here. We don't see a CH. Creature, natural, nurture. Okay, well there's 2 CHs coming up. Teacher, searcher. And in word final position, peach, ouch, couch, touch, rich. All right, and let's look at some j sounds. So here we go. Word initial position. Jade, joy, June, job, join. Word medial. Roger, lodger, wages, hedges, edging. And here in word final position. Ridge, badge, nudge, bridge, dirge. Are you ready to see if you can tell the difference? I hope so, because I'm going to ask you now. I'm going to say a word either from this list or from this list. Listen carefully so you can decide which words I'm saying. Chest, jip, Jill, cheap, ridge, cheer. I want to say that one again. Cheer. March, jive, bodge, jug. Okay, the words that I just said I'm going to make bold. There we go. That's what I said. So, how did you do? If you'd like some more practice, look below.